आप सभी मेरे अपनों को मेरा बहुत बहुत प्रणाम। राधे राधे, जय श्री कृष्ण, जय माता काली, जय माता दी। नवरात्रि बहुत ही नज़दीक है और वी ऑल आर वेरी हैप्पी टू एंड वी आर वेटिंग फॉर द नवरात्रि एंड from 17th as I guess 17th of October Navratri is going to enter. So as I know already I have decided and I have told that I will discuss on the topic what is the importance of satsang in the next video. So that's why today we all are going to discuss on the importance of satsang in our life. The first thing that I would like to say, what is the meaning of satsang? Okay, so just we can understand one thing that you people know one thing. Satsang means sometimes when satsang comes in front of a word, satsang comes in front of we all, just we people starts thinking like that. It is the religious thing. Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Rama, such like. But one thing that I would like to say, yeah, definitely, if we people are chanting the name of God directly or indirectly, we are doing satsang. Okay, but one of the important thing related to associated with the satsang is that the meaning of the satsang is for a while, for a span of time, for a short time, for a duration. If we people used to sit in the front of truth, a satsangi, a sannyasi, a devotees, okay, it is called satsang. Are you getting my point? What I am saying? Sometimes it happens because of my way of communication, because it is basically the starting, so I can understand you people have to be suffered from the difficulty. So definitely I promise that after some time it will overcome, don't worry for that. But I was saying that what is the meaning of satsang? Satsang means not we are going to just chanting the name of God. No, it is also a satsang, it is also a part of satsang. But we know people are saying that what is the meaning of satsang. So first thing that we would like to say, satsang means for a span of time, for a span, for a while, for a second, for a minute, means for some time when we people used to sit in the front of Satguru, Panditji, Brahman Devta, or in another terms we can also say if you are reading any religious books, you are reading Ramayana, you are reading Mahabharata, you are reading Srimad Bhagavad Mahabharata, you are reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita. It means directly or indirectly, more or less, but you are doing satsang. Okay, सत्संग का एक छोटा सा मतलब ये होता है कि एक अधि आदि अदु ताहू में पुनि आद तुलसी संगत साधु की कटय कोटि अपराध. ओके, इफ यू पीपल रिमेंबर व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ सत्संग. सत्संग का मतलब क्या होता है? पहले मैंने आपसे कह दिया कि सत्संग का मतलब है थोड़ी देर के लिए सही, लेकिन जब हमारा ये मन, when our soul, our spirit, when our mind starts working as like a devotee person. So for a minute, our body becomes a devotee. सो ये इसी को कहते हैं सत्संग. मीन्स कि भले थोड़ी समय के लिए, लेकिन अगर मेरी ये मन, ये मेरा ये बुद्धि, ये मेरा चित्त, मेरी ये आत्मा अगर भगवान में, जस्ट आवर सोल इज गोइंग टू टिल्ट टुवर्ड्स द भक्ति, so definitely we can say we achieve bhakti, we achieve satsang. सत्संग का मतलब है कि हमारा जो ये मन हो starts tilting towards bhakti. Okay, when bhakti comes in our life, definitely we people starts doing something religious. Okay, let us suppose I am saying, if I am going to make a video for you all, it means directly or indirectly I am doing my bhakti. Bhakti means what? Bhakti is nothing a special word. Bhakti is nothing a different word that comes from the other palace. No, it is basically the common word that people can understand through the example. It means when bhakti comes in ourselves, so definitely we people starts doing something religious. Okay, if once we people starts doing something religious, definitely after some time you will feel that no, there is some changes in me. Okay, and after that definitely when we people starts implementing and complementing all those things in our life, definitely you will find that just your life is going to change from as compared to your past. So it is the meaning of सत्संग. सत्संग का मतलब ये होता है कि थोड़ी देर के लिए सही, लेकिन जब हम भगवान के चरणों में बैठ जाते हैं, when people start chanting the name of God, when people starts hearing any Sant Mahatma, when people starts reading any religious books, so directly or indirectly, more or less, but we people starts learning something from there. And if once you learn something from there, and you will start com- contemplating on that, and you will start implementing all those things that you learn from there, definitely directly or indirectly you will feel some changes in yourself. You know, the- many times I told one thing, you will feel changes. What is the changes here? Changes means just you will feel that, let us suppose I am saying something, there is two things here. Just people say sometimes that there is darkness is nothing. Okay, if you are saying it, there is darkness is nothing. Darkness is nothing, it is the absence of light. Absence of light is called darkness. So if you are going to define darkness, there is no any definition of darkness. Okay, so definitely when we people want to see anything, for that you will have to manage the light. सबसे पहले there should be a presence of light. After that you will be able to see the things that was already kept there. Okay, it's that was I am saying. It means if you are learning something, if you are hearing any Sant Mahatma, if you are reading the religious books, so when you people starts doing such like type of things, you will learn something from there. And if you are learning something from there, it means just you are going to, आप बल्ब को जलाने जा रहे हैं, जस्ट यू आर गोइंग टू लाइट योर लाइफ. आप अपने लाइफ को ग्लो करने जा रहे हैं, जलाने जा रहे हैं. और वहाँ पे क्या होता है कि फिर हमारी जिंदगी में जब सत्संग आ जाती है, सत्संग का मतलब होता है वी कैन कंपेयर सत्संग विथ अ लाइट. Okay, let us suppose if there is a darkness there, so it definitely when you people once glow the bulb, definitely you will find light there. Okay, similarly in our life, satsang is as like a light. When you people starts glowing the light, definitely directly or indirectly, more or less, but our life becomes very bright. Okay, so satsang plays a important role in our life, but we people are not able to understand this. Okay, because in the holy book Ramayana, Baba Goswami Tulsidas is saying, बिनु सत्संग विवेक नहीं होई, और राम कृपा बिनु सुलभ नहीं सो. Because the first thing that he says that binu satsang, bina satsang, you can't get knowledge from without satsang. And let us suppose once the things comes to your mind that I have to do satsang, but despite that it will be not possible for you until and unless God will not want. जब तक भगवान नहीं चाहेगा, हमें ये सत्संग मिलना भी मुश्किल हो जाता है. इसलिए मैं आपसे कह रहा हूँ, बिनु सत्संग, ये मैं नहीं कह रहा, बाबा गोस्वामी तुलसीदास सेइंग इन द श्री रामायण, बिनु सत्संग विवेक नहीं होई, राम कृपा बिनु सुलभ नहीं सोई. ओके, सो राम कृपा बिनु सुलभ नहीं सोई. राम कृपा में जहाँ वीडियो बना रहा हूँ, राम कृपा बिनु सुलभ नहीं सोई. So we people can understand this through the example. Okay, already I explained one example that if there is darkness there, so because this is there is no darkness, there is no any definition of darkness, there is a absence of light there. That's why you were not able to see anything, but the thing were kept already there, but despite that you were not able to see that. You know why? Because of the absence of light. But when we people start, when you people open the light, definitely you will find that no, you will be able to see everything. Okay, are you getting my point, what I am saying? So this is the important thing that I am delivering in front of you. Try to understand, it is very important. Okay, without satsang you can't do anything. Without satsang you will be not able to understand the meaning of the things. Now I will give you a practical example. We all are the human. Okay, हम सब एक इंसान है, और एंड वी पीपल आर जस्ट enjoying our life. Okay, just we are learning some money from the, इस दुनिया में कुछ कमा रहे हैं, कुछ खा रहे हैं, एंड जस्ट वी आर feeling very happy in our life. सब अपने अपने खुश हैं. Okay, someone is doing something, someone is doing something, means every person is busy in his life. Okay, but now I am telling, let us suppose there are many families in which there are many children who are not following the rules regulations, who don't have the knowledge about the how to respect the parents. Okay, there are many children, they are not respecting his parents. What you will say? What you will say? It means already, if you people remember, definitely in my past video already I have told one thing. There are two things that are necessary in our life. The first one is money, and the second one is dharma. Okay, let us suppose if you have a money, lot of money, what you will do? Only with the money. Money is not only responsible for the surviving of life. Along with that, you will need one thing also, that will be satsang. That is satsang. Without satsang, you will be not able to understand the meaning of your prestigious parents. Okay, so there are many parents who are residing in the anath ashram. Now tell me, why it happened? क्यों हुआ ऐसा? Because we people had money, but along with money, there should be one thing, but that not happened there. That was satsang. There was not satsang there. That's why such type of children were not able to माँ बाप को अपने पास रखने में सक्षम नहीं, because they were not understanding the meaning of what is the importance of mother and father. Mother and father gives us the birth, and you people can understand mother and father. Parents had to be suffered from the difficulty. Okay, mother had to be suffered from the pain while she was giving birth to you. But we people are not able to understand the meaning of life. When you people get achievement, when you people get success in our life, definitely we will start forgetting everything what our parents did with us, for us. Okay, it is very difficult to understand about your parents. I am giving an example. So if you want to, such type of things is going to possible only and only because of satsang. If once satsang comes in your life, definitely you will be able to understand the meaning of parents, the important role of parents in your life. Okay. मैंने सत्संग के बाद में लाइफ में already, if you remember in the yesterday video, already I have told one thing that while before 4 years ago my life was different, but today I am totally different. Okay, my life is 180 degree phase shift as compared to my past life. Okay, so after satsang, after doing satsang, I learned many more things. And after complementing all these things, after implementing all these things that I used to learn from here and there in means we can understand, I could understand many things, and that I had been following for the 7 years. That's why I am like this, that I am able to say something about satsang in front of you all intelligent person. Okay, are you getting my point? What I'm saying? So this is the importance of satsang. Okay, मुझे याद तो नहीं है, but someone said one thing, that there is only one source through which you can make your life successful, and that is education. एजुकेशन कहते हैं, एडुकेशन कहते हैं, आप उसी के जरिए आप अपनी लाइफ को सक्सेसफुल कर सकते हैं, एंड देयर इज नो अदर वे. गरीब व्यक्ति भी अमीर बन सकता है ओनली एंड ओनली थ्रू व्हेन यू विल गेट एजुकेशन, व्हेन यू विल बिकम लिटरेट. आप एक बार अगर शिक्षा को प्राप्त कर लिए, एजुकेशन, definitely you will be able to understand. And then let us suppose I am giving you an example. If I am telling something about religious thing, if I am telling something about religious thing, if I am telling something about satsang in front of you all, a brilliant personality, so you people will be able to understand that it became possible only and only because of without satsang it was not possible. But I made this possible only and only because of grace of you all. So you people can understand. Satsang makes your life successful. Satsang makes your life very happy. Satsang makes your life very enjoyable. सत्संग कुछ भी कर सकता है. Okay. If I can also want to, I want to also express one thing also in front of you all, that sometimes just a word comes in our mind, comes in our ear, that what is Swarg? Swarg is nothing. A person who has both the things. The first one is money to survive, and second one is satsang. It means through satsang, Are Ansu, through satsang, you can change your life. Are you getting my point? What are you saying? So ye kuch, because yeah, I said Ansu because she is my sister and younger sister, and because the door was closing, and that's why I'm able to, because I was invisible. I was invisible. That's why I said Ansu, because I was stopping her to closing the door. So you can you can understand the things. So for today the topic was the importance of satsang. So that's why I used to say such type of things in front of you all. If I perform some mistakes, definitely I am sorry for that. आज के लिए राधे राधे. And again I am saying that already I am told many times, and this is my responsibility to aware you all from the things that from 17th of, as I guess 17th of, and definitely from in tomorrow's videos I will told the confirmation that really if the Navratri is going to start from 17th of October, so Bhagavad Mahapuran is going to start from 17th of October, and definitely I am not saying I am a knowledgeable person, as I know, and as far it is possible, so definitely I will say something about Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran in front of you all. And again and again I am saying that I am not a orator, I am not a intelligent person, I am as like you. So you people not will expect anything from me, because मुझे ये करने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है. That's why I am telling like this. So definitely, and the next topic will be, because I not did not decided that what I will say in the next video. So definitely that depends on the condition. If topic comes in front of me, so definitely I will make a video on that particular topic. So अभी के लिए आप सभी को मेरा प्रणाम. एक बार फिर आप सभी के माता पिता के चरणों में भी मेरा प्रणाम.